Very good morning, friend. Now we have to study sales promotion. What is the meaning of sales promotion? What do you mean by sales promotion? What are the definitions given here about the sales promotion? All such things we have to understand. Now, many of you must be confused about promotion and sales promotion. Promotion is comprehensive term and covers the entire gamut of advertising, publicity, public relations, personal selling, and sales promotion. Sales promotion is thus a part of promotion. Try to understand. Sales promotion is thus a part of promotion and is restricted to direct increment or inducement on the short term basis given to the customer, given to the consumer or trade so as to stimulate purchase of products and services. It means that you have to understand sales promotion is nothing but a process for product selling. Okay, then different types of the definitions are also given here. Those definitions also will be useful for understanding the exact meaning of sales promotion. Those definitions you should have to understand. Sales promotion means nothing but those marketing activities other than personal selling, advertising, publicity that stimulates customers purchasing and dealer effectiveness, such as a display, shows, exhibitions, demonstrations, and various non recurring selling efforts not in the ordinary routine. That is called sales promotion. Sales promotion consists of short term incentives. Sales promotion consists of short term incentives to encourage the purchase or sale of the product or services. Advertising and personal selling. Advertising and personal selling offers reasons to buy a product or services, whereas sales promotion offers reason to buy it now. This is also very important aspect. Then Luich and Ziegler defines the sales promotion as a direct inducement which offers an extra value and incentives for the product to the sale force, okay, distributors or the ultimate customers. This definition is given by Luich and Ziegler's. Okay. Another definition is also you have to understand sales promotion. In other word, is a marketing activity. Try to understand. Sales promotion is a marketing activity that adds to the basic value of the product or services for a limited period of time and directly stimulates purchasing by the target audience. That is called sales promotion. Other definition is also given there. Sales promotion is defined by the Institute of Sales Promotion as comprising a range of tactical marketing techniques within the strategic marketing framework to add value to a product or services in order to achieve specific sales and marketing objectives. This definition is also given by the Institute of Sales Promotion. Then another definition is also given there. A shorter definition is also there. The practice of offering temporary additional values. The practice of offering a temporary additional value to a brand in order to reach specific marketing objectives. That is called sales promotion. Then another very important definition is also given by the American Marketing Association. Sales promotion is an specific sales promotion is in the specific sense. Sales promotion includes those sales activities that supplement both personal selling and advertising and coordinate them and help to make them effective, such as displays, shows, and expositions, demonstration, and other non-recurring selling efforts in ordinary routine. This definition is given by the American Marketing Association. Okay. In short, sales promotion is the bridge or connecting link. That is nothing but a bridge or connecting link between advertising and personal salesmanship. The two wings of promotion. The manufacturer or wholesaler may have good product, reasonable price and attractive package, etc. He may have a good sales force. He has to attract prospective buyers, urge them and persuade them with the above factors. For what purpose? To buy his product. Hence, sales promotion aims at stimulating the purchasing at point of the sale and declare effectiveness at the retail channel of the distribution. This definition is also very essential, and with the help of these definitions also we can understand what we mean by sales promotion. Now, importance of sales promotion we have to study. Sales promotion and publicity, when combined with advertising and personal selling programs, really add up the more than the sum of the parts. Sales promotion is that something extra. Try to understand. Sales promotion is that something extra. It means 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. It can arouse enthusiasm, create a buyer's mood, and spark immediate reaction from the consumers, dealers, and post salesperson. That is called sales promotion. That's why that is important. Okay. Now, why sales promotion is essential? You have to understand. There are n number of reasons behind such type of efforts. It means that importance of sales promotion we can explain with the help of various points. Why sales promotion is there? Sales promotion helps for market development. If your company would like to develop the market, at that time that company has to follow, that company has to use the different sales promotion activities. Okay, that's why with the help of such type of sales promotion market development is possible. That's why sales promotion is essential. Then sales promotion encourages purchasing by offering incentives to the customers. It means that such type of encouragement is also given to the customer by offering incentives. Okay, that's why sales promotion is essential. It inspires the dealers of effect maximum sale by offering them monetary and non-monetary incentives. There are two types of incentives are given there. What are those two types? Monetary incentives and non-monetary incentives. With the help of such type of incentives also maximum sale is possible. Okay, then that's why sales promotion is essential. Then sales promotion provides an edge on competition. If you like to win in the competition environment, at that time you should have to take help of the sales promotion. Okay, it means that with the help of sales promotion you can face the competition successfully. Also, sales promotion helps in developing brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is also essential. It means that your customer should have to purchase your brand only. And that's why such type of a loyal customer you should have to create. And such type of a loyal customer automatically purchase the brand, and also he repeat the brand. That's why brand loyalty is also developed with the help of the sales promotion. And sales promotion increases the usage rate of the product. Usage rate, it means that such type of usage rate of the product should be increased. And how it is possible? With the help of sales promotion. Different types of the promotional activities you can conduct in front of the customer and for the customer. At that time such type of increment or increase is also possible. That's why SP is important. Sales promotion is important. Then sales promotion calls for attention. Sales promotion calls for attention to new products effectively. Such type of sales promotion calls for attention to new products. If your product is new, at that time the attention of your customer should be there towards the product. And for that purpose also such type of a promotional activities or sales promotion is also essential. Now, what are the objectives of sales promotion? We have to understand. There are different types of the objectives of the sales promotion. What are those objectives? First objective is given here, to increase the buying response of the users. It means that main objective is there, you should have to increase the buying response. What is the buying response? It means that buyers should have to give positive response for your product. And for increment such type of buying response of the users, sales promotional activities are essential. That's why this is the first objective of the sales promotion. Second objective is also mentioned here, to increase the magnitude and intensity of selling efforts. of the dealers and personal sales force. It means that you should have to increase the magnitude and intensity of selling efforts of the dealers and personal sales force. Then next objective is also there to supplement to advertising and personal selling. To supplement to advertising and personal selling. It means that such type of a supplementary service should be provided to the advertising and personal selling. And this is also another objective. Also to call attention to new products and product improvement. For that purpose also sales promotional activities are essential. Then to inform buyers of new brand and new package. It means that if there is a new brand and new package at that time such type of information you should have to give to the buyer. Such type of information you should have to provide to your buyer also, and for that purpose also such type of promotional activities are essential. It means sales promotion is essential. Then another objective is also there to improve market share. What is the objective? To improve market share. If you would like to improve the market share, not a share market share, at that time such type of promotional activities you should have to conduct, and with the help of such type of promotional activities market share will be improved. Okay, and this is also another objective of sales promotion. Then next objective is also there to increase usage rate. To increase usage rate by the present customers. To increase usage rate by the present customers, such type of a usage rate also can be increased. And another objective is also given to maintain customers patronage and brand loyalty. It means that such type of a customers patronage and brand loyalty should be maintained. Then another objective is also there to obtain dealers outlets. This is also very important objective. Then next objective is also there to secure additional shelf space and added display. And the last objective is there to create talking point to the salespersons. These are 1 minus 1 dozen objectives of sales promotion. Try to understand how many objectives are there. 11 objectives of sales promotions are there. Then sales promotion tools. Different types of the tools are provided in sales promotion. There are different types of the aspects are also there. Those aspects we have to understand. Now for the consumer levels also such types of the tools are provided. Try to understand. Such type of tools are also provided for the consumer levels also. And at that time what type of tools are provided and what type of techniques are also used. Those tools and techniques also we have to understand at a consumer level also. Try to understand. Okay. And what are those tools? First tool is used there at the consumer level, that is consumer contest and prices. What is consumer contest and prices? That is the first tool which is used in case of customer. Second tool is also used price of deals. Price of deals is also used. Then another tool is also used there. What is it? Purchase price refund. Purchase price refund, that tool is also used for the customers also. Then another is also there coupons. Coupons are provided. Coupons are provided to the customers. Try to understand. Such type of coupons are also provided. Then samples are also given. Free samples are also given to the customers. And such type of free samples customer can use, customer can entertain your product, and then you can collect the information about the quality, price, range, and other size and other aspects also. You can collect the information, and that information will be useful for your improvement purpose or product improvement purpose. That's why such type of samples are also used, samples are also provided, samples are also given to the customers. Then premiums or gifts. Premiums or gifts are also given. Premiums or gifts, how those are given? With pack premium, reusable containers, free in the mail premium, self liquidating premium. It means item sold below its normal retail price, that is called self liquidating premium. Then another aspect is also used there, rewards plan on purchases. Then free trials are also given for the customers Product warranties are also provided there. Cross promotions are also given there, and point of purchase (POP), display and demonstrations are also given there. It means customer promotion can be offered either by manufacturer or a retailer. Those tools which carry a selling messages from one category. Okay, for example, free samples, coupons, gifts related to the products form one category. Such type of things form one category. The rest forms another category, namely price of pack, trade allowances, etc. Gift not related to the product. Try to understand. Gifts not related to the products. Then trade oriented tools or techniques. There are trade oriented tools and techniques are also there. Trade oriented sales promotion. Try to understand. Trade oriented sales promotion programs are directed at the dealer network of the company to motivate them to sell more of the company's brand than the other brands. It is also known as a push strategy, which is directed at the dealer network so that they push the brand to the customers by giving priority over other competitors' brand. Such type of a priority is also essential, and such type of a technique is also essential. And in under this technique, there are three techniques: cash bonuses, stock returns, and credit terms are also given. Then another thing is also there: tools and techniques for sales promotion for dealers. Free products and assistance for window display to dealer, that is also provided. Then financial patronage, transportation and warehousing at company's cost. This technique is also provided to the dealer. Then organization of trade conferences. What is it? Organization of trade conferences for exchange of the business views, sharings of experience and interactions with the dealers. This type of technique is also used. Then trade discounts and kickbacks. Such type of a trade discount is also allowed there, and kickback technique is also used there. Then free extra goods. With the help of such type of a technique also sale can be increased. Sales contest and attractive prizes are also provided. What are provided? Sales contest and attractive prizes are also provided to the customers. Then gifts, free foreign tours, cash incentives for remarkable sales performance are also provided. Then training to dealers, training to dealers at a company cost, that is also provided to the dealers. In this way, these are the tools and techniques of sales promotion for dealers. Then tools and techniques of sales promotion for staff. There are different types of these tools and techniques used for the sales promotion of the staff. First technique is there, profit sharing bonus. It means that in kind of bonus, some excess profit is distributed among the staff. And this type of a profit sharing bonus, very essential tool of the sales promotion. Then sliding commission scheme is also there. On sale, such type of a sliding commission is also allowed, and that also tools and techniques used for the staff. Then another thing is also there, prizes for outstanding sales performance. Such type of prizes are also provided by the company for the outstanding sales performance. Then sales contests are also organized frequently. Then grading and ranking scheme of the sales staff. Such type of a grading is also there for the sales staff, and ranking scheme is also provided for the sales staff. And the last, conferences and seminars and workshops are also organized for the information about the sales promotion and about the sales staff. Okay, about the sales staff. These are the half dozen tools and techniques of promotion for the staff also. Then general tools are also given there for sales promotion. What are the general tools are provided? Exhibition and trade fairs are also organized. Fashion shows are also organized. Exchange schemes are also organized. Okay. Network marketing is also conducted there. Sales contest and lucky draw schemes are also conducted there. Then installment purchase and financial schemes are also provided. Showroom and displays are also useful for the sales promotion. Then semi solution display are also useful, and product plus scheme is also provided for the sales promotion. It means extra product is provided in the same price, and such type of a scheme is also very effective. These are the general tools of the sales promotion, and these are the references. Thank you. Thank you very much.